Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So ayan, so today is March 3, 2022 and it is already 12 in the midnight. So guys, this is my life every day. So ayan kasi LDR kami ng aking hobby. So ako nasa Pinas and my hobby is in Germany. So my life is quite different from others. So ako kailangan kong mag-adjust. Yes, a little bit. Ako na lang kayo sure nag-adjust. So, in 1 hour, tatawag si Mister. Ayan. I have a lot of things to do in the kitchen because so far, guys, this is the problem. So, every day, wala kaming tubig. So, pag araw, guys, walang tubig. So, nagkakaroon lang ng tubig dito midnight. Na talagang pupuyatin ka. At hindi naman na siya bago sa akin kasi talagang napupuyat ako. So, ayan siya guys. So, ganyan yung kusina namin pag walang tubig. But later on, hugasan ko siya and I will going to organize. Ayun. So, ganito kahirap ang buhay nang walang tubig. Guys, while I'm waiting for my husband to call me, and I would like to to answer some question coming from sa viewers ng aking YouTube channel. Kasi guys, so ang daming marites sa aking messenger asking about sa aking farm. So while I'm cleaning the kitchen, yes, sasagutin ko yun. So sasagutin ko yun, guys. So first of all, before I do something, yes, I shouldn't forget to wear gloves kasi guys, may hand allergy ako. Ayan, dyan siya. Ayan, so hindi ako pwedeng ma-attach sa anumang klaseng chemical. Ayan. Ayan. So the first questions that I got, if my husband kissed me the first time that we met. Ayan. So we met personally, guys, year 2018. There is yes. So he kissed me, but that was one week after we met. Ayan. So he kissed me and time, guys, I feel speechless. Yes, I like it. Question, guys, is if si Habi ba nagpapadala na siya ng pera even though we are not yet married. So I would say, guys, no. So hindi siya sa akin nagpapadala. We're in 3 years, guys, na dating or we are in a relationship. Hindi niya ako, guys, sinusuportahan monthly or financially. Ayun, guys, nagpapadala lang siya if I have if it is my birthday or Christmas, but monthly allowance, no. So before I also have work, ayan, so hindi naman ako nagde-demand ng ganun kasi may nag-earn din ako ng sarili kong pera. But the moment nagsabi na umalis ako sa job ko, ayun, monthly na siya, guys, nagpapa-allowance. But like girlfriend and boyfriend, no, hindi siya, guys, nagbibigay. And then, guys, hindi rin ako humihingi. Ayun. Is pang-ilang girlfriend ba ako ni Mister? Yung pang-ilang Filipinang girlfriend ba ako, guys? Sad to say, pang second, yes. But guys, I don't know if the first one is a very real serious relationship because my husband told me that after just a month after he met the woman, yes, they met in Cebu, and but after that, guys, hindi niya na tinuloy kasi there's some reason na disappoint siya dun sa girl, and yun, they they broke up. But pa ba ako, we got married na eh. And that was 4 years ago. So, ayan, kalimutan na natin yung issue na yun. So, the next question is that if my husband already have kids and is not yet married during that time, so hindi pa talaga siya guys kasal. He never been divorced, and wala din siya guys anak. Means ako yung una, and then ako lang yung tanging magmamana. Joke lang guys. Hindi naman. So the next question is, if rich ba si hubby? Ayan. Actually guys, hindi ko naman masasabing mayaman siya. But nandun lang siya guys sa middle. Ayan. Yung na-afford niya lang guys na-afford niya lang guys mag-travel, bumili ng gusto niya, suportahan ako, nandun lang siya sa label na yun. But asking me if my husband is a millionaire, I don't know yet guys, kasi hindi ko pa nasisilip yung bank account niya. Joke, wala pa. Question is, kailan daw namin ni Mr. planong magkaanak? Ayun guys, actually guys, when it's come to children's, yes, we want to. So why not? Offered niya naman yun guys. And yeah, but the problem guys is I'm still traveling, and parang hindi pa ako guys settled down talaga. Kasi after we got married, I still need to go back to the Philippines, and yes, ayusin lahat ng documents and bumalik ulit doon, and then balik dito. So ganun pa guys yung stage ng buhay ko. So it comes to to be pregnant at the moment. Yeah, we decided not yet. But as after to have a job first before getting pregnant or to have a child. Ayun nga muna guys yung gusto namin ma-achieve. First, I will search for a job, and then later on, we will decide to have children. Sino daw ba yung gumastos the moment that we met? So the first time sabihin, but si hubby. Yun, I could say most is came from his part, because guys, when we first met, we went to Cebu, to Bohol, and second meeting, yes, we went to Singapore. And on the third meeting guys, he let me to travel to Germany. Ayun, pinag-travel niya ako guys sa Germany. So lahat yun guys, siya yung gumastos. So tinanong ko naman siya guys if okay lang sa kanya, because he already know naman na I'm just earning minimum salary during that time, and I couldn't afford to travel like that. And they said naman it's okay as long as we can see each other, so we have chance. And yung para ma-comfortable lang kami sa feeling namin sa isa't isa yun guys, because once you are in a relationship, hanggat hindi kayo guys nag-meet in person, parang may kulang. So effort is needed. Ayan, based on my experience guys. So even though guys you are other, mas mabuboost yun guys. So mafe-feel mo na talagang sobrang in love ka na, and yan, mamamatay ka na pag hindi ka niya chinachat. Ayan. And the next question is, yes, during our relationship, if we broke up and then nagkabalikan ba? Actually guys, nagkaroon lang guys ng tampuan, And those tampo guys, intindihin yung ugali nila. Ayan. Meron silang ugali guys na pag meron sila guys ugali na pag naiinis sila, hindi sila magpaparamdam for a week, for how many days, and until it's become a week. And us, yes, as a Filipina, we couldn't understand that kind of behavior because tayo guys, 1 hour lang na hindi tayo guys chinat, iba na yung isip natin. So maybe meron na siyang iba, ayun, hindi na tayo priority, ganon agad yung iniisip nila guys, ganon agad yung iniisip natin, but sila, they just want peace of mind. Question is coming from my friend, and coming from my friend Anna. So Anna just is maarte, yeah, when it comes to food, when it comes to environment. And yes, I will be honest and I will say yes, when it comes to food, my husband always wants the quality. Yan guys, so ayaw niya ng malalamig na pagkain. So gusto niya mainit siya lagi. And yes, I always want clean environment. So kasi guys, sa bansa nila, makikita mo naman yung pinagkaiba guys, kung bakit siya pag nasa Pinas nagiging medyo maarte. Ayun guys, pag magkasama kami guys sa Pinas, parang feeling ko may bata akong inaalagaan. At ask, yes, if meron daw akong sinalosa na ex-girlfriend, yes, ni hubby. Ayun, and yung tipong na-insecure ka guys, and I would say yes. Ayun guys, and nakatikim si Mr. ng masasakit na salita galing sa akin. And then kasi guys, biro mo, in 3 years that we are in relationship, 2 years pa siya nag-decide before ako pag-aralin ng German language, which is needed if you want to get married with a German guy. But one of his ex, yes, from Cebu, the moment na nag-meet sila guys, after a month, pinag-German lesson niya. So yung nalaman ko yun, tinanong ko siya, sabi ko, ano bang meron sa babae niya, but ang dali-dali mo mag-decide pakasalan siya because pinaaral niya ng German language agad-agad. But the answer from him is yes, is like yeah, there's a very bad decision na nag-invest siya ng pera doon sa babae para mag-aral ng German language, but at the end hindi guys nagsikap yung babae mag-aral. So dumating yung point na binagsak niya yung German language niya, and inisip ko na lang guys, siguro yun yung reason. Kasi kung sakaling pumasa siya, ibig sabihin sa kanya nakasal siya, hindi sa akin. Yes. So hindi ko na siya inaway nun. So parang nagpasalamat pa ako guys na bumagsak siya. So di ba, may pagkademonyo din ako minsan. Ayun guys, pero guys, learning German language is not cheap. It's not easy guys. For you to learn language guys, I think you need to invest more than 80,000 pesos in just to learn the language. Kasi mahal yung German school, lalo lang pang ilang tanong na sa akin. Ayan. So pang 10 tanong na atatul guys sa akin, o pang lampas ng pang 10. So ang tanong na yun guys, if si hubby daw kuripot.
Say what?
Ayan. Kasi so guys, ako naman masasabi ko, there's a part naman guys na nangunguripot siya. But then again kasi guys, bago siya maglabas ng pera, lahat muna guys sa insurance, ayan, insurance and savings, ayan, before another thing. So ganun ata guys talaga pag German. So ang dami nilang insurance na dapat i-prioritize rather than buying expensive stuff. So guys, sa Germany, ibang-iba siya when it comes to fashion. So when you go to Italy, friends, ayan, magkapit-bahay lang sila. Mostly friends have a lot of branded company, yeah, branded stuff. Yes, like, yeah, no, because German doesn't prioritize those stuff. And guys, punong-puno sila guys ng insurance, but those insurance naman guys, ayun, napaka-helpful niya naman. Kasi, um, education is free. Health, when it comes to sickness guys, for check-up, pre-hospitalization, may mga tinatawag pa sila guys na furniture insurance, fire insurance, house insurance, car insurance, ano pa ba yun? Ang dami nila guys insurance, 10 ata yun. Hindi naman ako guys nag-i-aim na magkaroon ng mga ganong branded na bagay, because me, I also prioritize, yeah, to save money for the future and for the family guys, kasi nasa Pinas tayo, and when it comes to family ties, ayun, hindi natin guys maiwasan na once you are abroad, may mag-chat sa'yo asking for help, yes, na hindi naman natin guys pwedeng hindi, and so it's better to have your own money and you can save without problem. So yun guys yung aking, yeah, yung aking inuuna. But sabi guys, he is making sure that in the future maganda yung buhay namin dalawa. So isang baso pa lang yung bubuhusan ng tubig. Daldal ako ng daldal. Another question from my friend Steffi. So Steffi's she was wondering why is it that I don't have pictures of my husband in my Facebook. Yes guys, kasi of my social media account. And guys, kasi guys, hindi kami friends sa Facebook ni hubby. So this is one aspect that I discussed with my husband to protect our privacy. And guys, hindi kami friends sa anuman social media na meron kami. Ayan. So, sa Facebook, guys, hindi kami friend. Isa suggest that you should make some distance. Yan, guys, kasi guys, social media in these days, ayan guys, parang napaka-powerful niya na para sumira ng isang relasyon. So, ako guys, I am 28 and my husband is already 43. So wala naman ako 42. So wala naman ako guys naramdaman na pagkakaiba niya if ever na bata pa siya or kasing edad ko din siya guys. And for me, yeah, I feel good na medyo matured si Mister. Kasi guys, yes, napakasarap guys sa feelings na medyo matured yung isa sa inyo guys. Kasi feeling mo binabata ka niya guys, ini-spoiled ka niya. Ayun, so instead guys na ikaw yung mag-aalaga, siya yung mag-aalaga sa'yo. Ayun, siya pa yung mag-prepare ng breakfast mo. Ayun, so siguro feeling niya guys, aside that you are the wife, you are also, yes, the baby. So, ayan guys. So, tapos na ako maghugas. So, ayan. So, malinis na ulit yung aming kitchen. And, ayan guys. So, yan, habang naghugas, nanonood ng balita for what happening now in Ukraine and Russia. Ay, nagmamarites din ako guys. So, and ayan guys, I hope satisfied si mga Marites sa aking mga sagot sa kanilang mga katanungan. Parang Tagalog na Tagalog, no? So guys, thank you and see you in my next vlog.